shattering waves of surprise and industrial tremors have swept across the trucking world as Freightliner officially froze its production, an unexpected decision that immediately sparked powerful reactions across the industry. This sudden halt has not only raised questions about the stability of the market, but also revealed the delicate balance between demand, workforce security, and long-term survival strategies. The freeze comes as Freightliner's parent company, Daimler Truck, North America, faces a shifting economic landscape defined by weaker freight demand, rising operational costs, and unpredictable global trade policies. Instead of pursuing mass layoffs, the company chose temporary production suspensions, a strategic move aimed at protecting its skilled workforce while maintaining flexibility to restart quickly if demand rebounds. Industry observers note that the decision reflects deeper cracks in the U.S. trucking sector. Forecasts for North American sales in 2025 have already been revised downward by over 10%, from earlier expectations of nearly 200,000 units to a range closer to 155,000, 175,000. This significant adjustment underscores how the softening freight economy, coupled with tariff pressures and raw material costs, is reshaping production timelines and dealer inventories. The reactions have been divided. Fleet owners worry about extended lead times, resale value shifts, and potential shortages in parts availability. Yet others see Freightliner's calculated pause as a protective measure that prevents oversupply and safeguards long-term pricing stability by halting production rather than flooding the market during a slump. The company may be setting itself up for a stronger rebound once freight volumes rise again. For decades, Freightliner has remained a backbone of American trucking, known for blending fuel efficiency, driver comfort, and reliability. Its Detroit and Cummins diesel power, combined with innovations like the all-electric have kept it competitive against rivals such as Volvo, Peterbilt, and Kenworth. With one of the largest service and dealer networks in North America, Freightliner has long been the go-to choice for long-haul operators and regional fleets alike. This production freeze, however, represents more than just a pause. It is a sign of how fragile and interconnected the modern trucking economy has become. The next moves will determine whether Freightliner's decision is remembered as a bold act of protection or a warning signal for bigger challenges ahead. Be part of the road ahead by joining our community, where every twist in the industry, every echo of change, and every story from drivers and fleets comes alive. Share your perspective and help shape the conversation as the trucking world navigates through this unprecedented moment together.